Hello, I'm going to show you how to use whatnot randomizer. First of all, enable seller tools on mobile, tap the account icon at the bottom right. Go to the account tab at the top. Scroll down and select preferences, toggle on seller tools. On web, open your show from the seller hub. Click the more button in the right sidebar, select seller tools. Access the randomizer while live or in camera preview mode. Tap the three-dot menu on the right hand side. Scroll down and choose randomizer. Tap show spin wheel. Configure entries. You can pre-fill the wheel with sports teams NBA, NFL, MLB using the provided buttons. For custom entries, type directly into the manual entry field. Customize options, use shuffle entries to randomize the list order. Tap spin wheel to run the wheel and select an entry. After selection, you can choose a move to eliminate that entry from the wheel. Using the randomizer for giveaways, start a giveaway, tap the star icon at the bottom right of your screen, navigate to the giveaway tab, select the listing and tap start giveaway. Draw a winner. After the giveaway ends, tap draw winner to select recipient. Alternatively, wait for 45-minute time limit to automatically draw a winner.